Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, gonna to show you how to change Excel cell size. So guys, if you want to change Excel cell size, so very easy. Firstly, click on Home. After click on Format. After click on Row Head. I will change 60 height. After click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple. First click on Home. After click on Format and column white. When to change column, so click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to change Excel cell size. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.